Some much needed financial relief may be on the way for workers like Arizona teachers and nurses.
The federal government just announced sweeping changes to its student loan forgiveness program. Jason Berry is live in the newsroom with all the details. Jason.
Well, people who devote their lives to public service should have their student loan debt wiped away. That's what the federal government has been promising, but hasn't really delivered. Haley Avino and her husband Christopher are both serving our community. Haley is a nurse practitioner, Christopher a Scottsdale firefighter. Both were able to get through school with the help of student loans, which they hoped would be forgiven through the federal government's Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program that's supposed to provide debt relief to public servants. Unfortunately, getting assistance through the program has been extremely challenging.
For some reason, for the last 18 months, even though they told him it was approved, his forgiveness hasn't been applied. So those were 18 payments that should have been applied, and they weren't.
The program, which started in 2007, has been called a disaster, with thousands of teachers, police officers, health and government workers applying for forgiveness only to be rejected for an assortment of reasons. Stringent requirements and a tedious application process haven't helped either. But things may be about to change. The U.S. Department of Education just announced a sweeping overhaul of the program that will relax the rules and make it easier for borrowers to receive debt forgiveness. Marisol Garcia with the Arizona Education Association thinks this could be a game changer for a lot of teachers living paycheck to paycheck.
This affords them the ability to add to the economy, but it also adds their ability to have make their family a focus and make their family a priority, to spend more time with their family. So this is a really good piece of policy.
One of the most significant new guidelines allows borrowers to use past loan payments to count towards forgiveness.
It would allow us to use that extra money to go to the grocery store or pay for our gym membership. So I think it would be extremely beneficial.
Now, borrowers will still have to show they are working in a public sector job or had been working full-time when they applied for debt relief, and having to make 120 on-time student loan payments is no longer a requirement. The program is expected to impact between 500,000 and 1.3 million people. To see if you qualify and see how to apply, just go to our website at azfamily.com. In the newsroom, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.